In today's video, we are going to learn about place value. Imagine Ivy will be picking a lot of apples, but she does not know how to write them in one number. For the first apple, she will write down something like 1. On the second apple, Ivy again will write down 1. As she continued picking apples, she will write down everything in her paper. There's a lot of apples to be picked until her paper is running out of space. What will Ivy do then? Ivy needs place value in order to represent every single apple she picked. In order for you to understand it, I will introduce to you my place value houses. My place value houses are very colorful. The smallest unit is the color red. It represents one's place value. Please take note that for every house, it allows only one digit. That means it can accommodate 0 to 9. As a rule, 10 is not allowed to enter the house. For you to understand place values faster and easier, I will separate every 3 houses and plant a tree. They'll look more beautiful. Don't you like them, kids? The orange-colored house represents the 10th place. This position accommodates 1/10 to 9/10. The next house, which is colored yellow, is called the hundreds place. Hundreds place can accommodate 100 till 900s. Now we go to the next place value called thousands. Next is 10,000s. Next is 100,000s. And millions place value. For our today's discussion, we will be talking about the first 3 place values: ones, tens, hundreds. I hope you remember all those 3 colors of the rainbow: red, orange, and yellow, which represents ones, tens, and hundreds respectively. Bye-bye for now. Lessons will be continued on the next video.